This is an unboxing of a 250GB hard drive internal, and it is a repackage. The reason I got it, because it was so cheap. It was originally $130 or $129.99, but turn it around, you see what you can put on it, right there. Features, Xbox Live, rated E, made in Thailand. The bottom, it just shows barcodes and Microsoft. That's it. And then it shows what it's for. It's for the Slim console. See, not the big one. Those have the weird hard drives. And it was created by Xbox, Microsoft. Right there, the little emblem. Right, here we go. I'm shooting from my iPhone, so I only have one hand. Just shake it out here. Let me set you down. Okay, here it is. There it is. We got these two pamphlets. I think both are in Spanish. That's what you get for a repackage, I guess. And here we got the hard drive. Right here, Xbox 360. It's a little scratched, probably because somebody used it, didn't like it, took it back. I don't know. And Xbox huge hard drive, Microsoft Corporation, barcode. Well, there it is. So, comment, subscribe, and hope you like the unboxing.